Guys, there was lightning before the thunder.
So here Brian spawns.
If this won't work, I'm going to throw all of my stuff away.
Lightning before your thunder.
Hey! Yan! Sinabi mo yun! Nagre-record ako!
Well, that's unexpected.
Saka. Pinost ko yung akin.
Ay, gabi, narinig yung sinabi kong Edward. Sinabi kay Edward.
Let's go!
Hey, I'm not crazy boy. What's up, buddy?
Yo! I'm back from the house! I'm back from the dead! What the?
Sorry, buddy. It's like, you're not new anymore.
Hindi ba ako? Ayaw ko na mag-rebride.
Why don't have a
Oh! Hello, my cousin! Oh! My cousin was here. What?
You're really steep.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, the shrine is on fire.
Wait. Piling ko magagalit ko dito yung ginawa sa bahay. Piling ko magagalit yung mga viewers yung ginawa natin sa bahay. At yung I'm lagging, bro! I'm lagging!
You're not the only one doing it.
What the fudge?
You're bleeding.
I'm in the house. What the frick happened to the coffee table? The coffee table. Did you take the coffee table from here?
Yes, it's right here.
Bro!
Hey, let me tell you something.
Yeah.
Go outside, go in. Okay.
I think I can handle here, Brian. I think I can handle.
I was gonna say the same joke. That's crazy. I was gonna say the same joke.
Do you think you could handle the silence mode? Oh, I got it.
I'm sure I can handle it.
Oh my god, you know, is not fan of the joke. Not fan of the joke.
The what?
The joke.
The what?
Joke. Joke. Like hot It was thunder before the lightning. What? There was thunder before the lightning. Baliktad ata yung lyrics. Punta ka sa bahay ngayon. Punta ka sa bahay.
No, I don't want to.
What you mean by that?
I'm bored.
Just going to show you something. I crafted something. I'll show you something. So,
Bilang ganda. I'm not gonna lie. My heart skipped a beat for a second. I literally thought that was real good.
natakot. Para di ka na matakot, meron akong malaking ulo. Stupid.
Why does that look normal?
Oh yeah! Ano?
So normal.
Oh yeah! Tapos sinagal ko.
That's
Here, Brian.
alright. Ah! Ah, Brian!
Akala mo ako zero, Brian. Aboy?
No.
Cave sound.
I'm burning.
Well, really?
I'm burning.
Do you have any cobble?
I don't have cobble. Let me see. I have 6.
Give it. I'm going to craft a...
I'm gonna make an axe real quick.
What?
Oh, never mind. I'm alive.
Nice.
I'm still standing when I'm alone.
I have 16 iron ingots.
Yo, iron ingots.
Your damn ass.
Why?
Kailangan ko isbat yung mga... Dennis.
Oh.
Gonna cook it the original way by burning it Literally, I'm going to do. No.
This is the first game.
Ow. I'm still standing on fire. Oh my god, your cave is here.
What?
Cave.
You said my teeth.
Cave.
What?
Hotdog.
What?
Hotdog. Hey! I don't know. Nice, I got 9. No, because I need to get back home.
Back home.
Black home. Black Nick.
Oh, you mean black and white?
Don't you dare. Don't you dare.
Well, I almost did it.
You almost said Black Nick. I'm not going to continue it. We're going to get demonetized. I'm still standing after all this. Shut up.
Never mind. I'm not standing anymore.
You're in heaven right now. Is that even allowed? Is that even allowed? Stop doing the Michael Jackson. Get out of my
You
way.
want to see the moonwalk?
What?
You want to see the moonwalk? Wait, did you take my nether? Did you take my nether block?
No.
When I made that joke.
No.
Hey!
I did it. I did it. I did it. I did it.
Ah.
Yan, wala na akong nether block. Sira ulo ko. Wala akong nether.
Oh, it's right here. It's right here. Ouch.
Binigay ko sa'yo.
Nether, talk to me.
The fire.
Nether what?
Gone.
Nether what?
Wait, we can place slab, but we cannot place a full block. Mabra daw.
Where?
What the frick happened to the tree? No, literally.
He gave that a haircut.
What? What?
Are you recording?
Yes. What happened to
Do you
the...
remember that black thing standing here?
Oh yeah. My cousin.
No.
Oh my god. I'm joke. Cross.
I made that thing.
Oh my god, I thought it was natural. I'm still standing up.
I'm so lagging after all this time.
Huwag mo ako tanungan kapag nagkakaroon ako ng Tuesday.
On Tuesday?
No nails. Smelt the iron. It's melting the iron. Get out of my way. Get out of my way. What the freak? What the freak?
What?
Andito ka sa loob. Paano ka nakapunta sa labas? Lag.
Hey, you want to see something? Caller.
I cobbled up. Oh my god. That was cringe.
What did you say?
That was cringe. No, don't go to say it again.
I can't handle that word.
And I can't handle your face right now.
Handle your skin.
Shut the frick up. I cannot handle the joke.
But I can handle it.
Bakit ang plate nilagay mo? tigdalawa tayo, tigdalawa. What the? Tanggalin mo itong anti-site. Tinanggal mo ba yung ano nito, yung slab? Wait, I cannot stack another one. Shenanigans. Oh! I broke the thing.
Oh no.
Nanay, sige na lalo, lagalaga lalo. Oh, di ba? No demonetize shirt kasi. Shut up. Shut up. Look at some wood. I am shaving the tree.
Hey.
I think I need to log out. My brother! Oh! My brother is gone.
Can I ask you a question?
Can you shave the tree bulbs? What the? What the hell? What did I say? Kakat ko yun mamaya.
Pause the video.
No! I didn't post my video. I didn't post the video. My brother. Oh, it's gone. No, I'm joking. Don't ask me when I'm having Mondays.
What?
Nothing.
What?
Nothing. What? Don't you dare steal my thing. What? Close the trap doors or I'm going to trap you. Did you get the joke? What you mean, kinda?
It's kinda good.
I'm chilling in here with my iron buddies.
Huh?
Buddies?
Buddy?
Can you help me find?
Buddy!
Can you help me find? Can you help me hide the body? Huh? What did you do?
Come on. Can't wait.
Stop.
Oh!
Don't you dare! I'm going to get demonetized.
Hey, over there.
No.
Over there.
Stop doing it. We're going to get demonetized. What?
I saw a black figure.
Hey, yo! I thought you said God. Get the fuck out of my way!
No, I don't want to.
I'm crafting something.
Hey, I'm lagging.
Don't ask me when I'm having Monday and Tuesday.
Huh?
Nothing. Naglalag ako habang naglalaro ako sa Monday, pati sa Tuesday. Talaga naglalag ako.
I'm always lagging.
Ako sa Monday sa kasi Tuesday lang.
Every year. I don't like it.
Yes, finally.
A wise man once. A wise man once.
Shut up.
Ayaw magpapit. Hindi sila yung tao niyan eh. Ayaw magpapit. It is you.
What?
Kill yourself. I'm falling. You're gonna get up.
Hey, yo!
That's not sus.
Sa isip ko, sas.
Are you doing mine?
No? Kinda. How do you make an armor stand?
You need polish. I don't know why it's called.
Polish cobblestone. Oh, wait, polish stone.
Polish it's stone. Polish it's stone.
It's me, Mario. Shut up. In my head, I'm Mario.
I see a red moon.
The one red moon. Don't ask me when I'm having Mondays.
Don't ask me when I'm eating.
Shut up.
Why does the fan look like the Nazi?
Hey, yeah. Wait, really?
Why does the fan look like the Nazi?
Wait, really? I don't wanna.
Why does the fan look like that? What's in your arm?
Hell no.
Let me see it. Let me see. What is it? Oh.
I don't know.
It's been a long time, and we haven't slept
What?
in the game. We haven't slept. Mobs.
Kahit tayo hindi naka-peaceful mode.
Huh?
What the?
The door just loaded.
What?
The door just loaded.
What?
So when I was dog, I thought that was the
Oh, hell no. Kala ko nasa labas ka. Nasa loob ka pala. Ayaw sito to. Maayos sito. Sing-song, rock yeah. Wait. Yukon is not stone. I didn't know that.
It's not cobblestone, it's very stone.
How about stone?
It needs something.
Oh. No, it's not stone.
Oh,
Cobble. What did I do? Smooth stone.
are you kidding? What is stone?
Shut up. I needed stone. Don't ask me. What? What the hell?
That's the basement.
I'll send you to Jesus.
You're not. That's the basement.
Very small basement. Mwah.
Hey, no! No!
Karto. Oh.
What a lovely morning.
Tatawa pa rin ako. Ikaw, natatawa pa rin ako.
What a lovely morning.
What a lovely night. Hindi, gabi.
What a lovely night.
It's morning. Night is morning, and morning is night. What? I don't know what I'm saying right now. Pangat di Joben. Bola niya parang bola eh. Malaki. Hello, my brother. Let's go. What up?
So,
What am I doing?
I don't know. I'm starting game.
Alone there.
What a lovely morning. For you.
Sa wakas, may ano na ako. May ano.
Am I glowing?
What? Come here, come here.
No, I'm not glowing.
Wait. What?
I'm glowing.
No, you're not.
Kind of.
No, you're not. You're not growing. Oh! He's gone. Who was that? Sabi mo, tinanggal mo na yung the silence.
Hindi kasi.
Oh. Oh my god. Oh my god. What?
Oh, he's stalking us. He's stalking us. Look at him. Look at him. He's standing there.
Hello, my cousin. Hello, my cousin.
Oh, he disappeared.
I was kissing him.
Hey! He was stalking us.
I was kissing him.
Don't say that. Whoa, hey, bro.
What?
Did you see Bird in front of you? Hey, that was Noel. Hey, bro, that was Noel. That was Noel.
Who?
Noel.
Ass.
He didn't say, can I ask you a question?
Who?
Shut up, I don't give a shit, okay?
Ass.
Huh. He's definitely stopping me.
Where?
He disappeared.
I was about to kiss him. Hey!
Mahal ang gasolina.
Napakamahal ng gasolina.
Ito naman, mahal ang gasolina.
Someone is in the house.
What's his name?
Armor stand. No, literally.
His name's Winston?
Yes.
That's a good name. Are you the one who named him?
Napakamahal ng gasolina.
Oo naman. Hindi mahal ang gasolina.
Hey!
Hey! Everybody was cool for the party.
Lagay ko sa labas. Protection para kayo.